All right, let's move to some track and field now. World Championship Relay gold medalist Janelle Smith continued her outstanding run of form by racing to a wind-assisted 6.96 seconds to win the women's 60 meters at the World Class Athletics Quick Meet at GC Foster College earlier on Saturday. Smith, who earlier produced a personal best 7.04 in qualifying, won the final, aided by a 2.3 meters per second wind ahead of Levania Williams 6.99 and Jodine Williams 7.07. In the men's 60-meter final, 2024 World Indoor Bronze medalist Akeem Blake and Kadrian Golson both clocked a wind-aided 6.46 seconds, with Blake given the nod. Eugene 2022 World Championship Mile Relay silver medalist Christopher Taylor, in the meantime, running for Swept Track Club, opened his season with an impressive meet record of 45.55 seconds to win the men's 400 meters. The performance met the world indoor qualifying standard of 45.80. Joel Bryan clocked a meet record and career best 7.77 to win the men's 60-meter hurdles. MVP's Karika Hill got the better of Alexis James to win the women's equivalent in a personal best 8.12. World Championship semi-finalist Adrian Carr won the men's 200 meters in a season's best 20.95, while the women's equivalent was won by Mikhail Moody.